Hello students, welcome to this 8th session or 8th lecture you can say of the curve, right? Today we'll be studying about the compound curve and elements of compound curve, okay? So we'll see what is a compound curve and we'll see the elements of compound curve, okay? So definition is when two curves in a same direction it is studying in the same directions but has different radii. Okay, they join at a point, right? Can you see it? This is a different curve, that is t1 to t2. T2 to t3 is a different curve which has different radius. This curve has different radius and this curve has different radius. You see here, the point where the two curve meet is called as PCC, point of compound curve. It is called as point of compound curve. The criteria for the compound curve is they should have a different radii. They should have a different radii, right? That is what is your compound curve is. Okay, and both the curves are connected or are tangential to one line, has one common tangent. Here can you see this is a common tangent for C1 curve 1 and curve 2, right? This is called as common tangent. Can you see here? AB is equal to rear tangent. This AB is a rear tangent and BC is your forward tangent, right? And DE is a common tangent here. The point where they meet is called as PCC. The angle between the rear and the common tangent is called deflection angle. Sum of two deflection angles. This is angle BDAE and DEB has two angles. These are two angles, delta 1 and delta 2. So summation of delta 1 and delta 2 is called as delta. You see here delta and deflection angle. So that is our summation. A2 is equal to deflection angle between common and forward angle. This T2. T1 or A is called as the angle between the forward and the rear tangent. It is called a total deflection angle. This it is called as total deflection angle. This is summation of two angles, right? So it is total deflection angle. These are the various elements. Okay. O1 is the center of short curve and O2 is the center of long curve. The center of radius or center of curve. RS is radius of small curve and RL is radius of long curve, right? T2 is a point of compound curve, that is PCC. TS is a tangent length of a longer side, total tangent length of a longer side. Here it is not even or not equal. Tangent lengths are not same on the both the sides. They might be differ. Tangent length of the long curve, TL. TS is the tangent length of the short curve. To calculate tangent length, RS tan delta by 2. Delta is a delta angle of the first tangent, right? And radius is of small curve. Here RL is of large curve. That is a formula to calculate the tangent length. So this is about the various elements and definition of compound curve.